Hey everyone, it's Gail with Life Begins After 50, and today we're talking home decor. Just a quick thank you for everybody who has taken the time to subscribe to my channel, which I truly love. Video content really is my favorite, and although fashion and lifestyle is pretty much my niche, I think home decor is part of lifestyle, and it is just a joy and a passion of mine for a lot of years. And so today we're talking home decor and we're talking DIY. And I have shown you before, starting with last year's Christmas tree, I got this fabulous 9.5-foot artificial tree at Home Store. I am not sponsored on any of this, by the way, when it comes to the DIY tree. I love this tree. It can light up with white lights or multicolored lights. I typically use the white, but it was so reasonably priced. And what I did was, after I bought Christmas, I went to the 75% off sale and I stocked up on all the different seasonal ornaments and bulbs and garland and everything that I could get that pertained to Valentine's Day, St. Patty's, all the patriotic holidays, and fall. Did I leave anything out? Well, this is the last seasonal tree that I have bought for, because everything else I started at Christmas, and decided to leave the big white bulbs on because it really makes the other colors pop. And I don't have the lights turned on now. I will show you. Actually, I have it on my Instagram stories, what it looks like with it lit up, but the lighting is so much better in the daytime. So here it is in the day. I think the key to this, doing this affordably, and it's so much fun, is to take the time to go to different stores, because I can't ever find everything I want at one store. I usually start at the least expensive stores, and if I can't find what I want there, I go to others. So this tree, the majority of it, I purchased the picks, as I call them, from At Home, from Hobby Lobby, and I don't think there's anything on it from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I often go there, and you know, I try to incorporate the best deals that I find, and sometimes I find something at a store and then I go to another store on another shopping trip and I see a better deal. So if I'm gathering it up and it's not already on the tree, I take it back and return it and get the better priced merchandise. So all said and done, because I had the white bulbs, I probably spent between 50 and 100 bucks on the details for this tree, which you might think sounds like a lot. It's a 9.5-foot tree, and I plan to use these picks every single fall. Plus, another great tip is that I can use a lot of these decor items for other places in my house and other holidays. For instance, the white bulbs I have in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. I always buy shatterproof. I have a 15-week-old puppy, and you just never know when somebody knocks into the tree. It's in a corner wall in my house. I finally have a corner wall in this new house, so it is a little bit more sheltered. But I plan to use, you know, I trimmed, this is another tip. I bought these sunflowers in a big stalk, and everything is fake and artificial, which I think it looks super. The quality has gone up so much in the past few years. There was about 9 sunflowers on the stalk, and I just used my craft scissors and trimmed them. So it turned out to be about $1 a sunflower. And as you can see, they're nice big sizes. The garlands, I paid $5.99 for a 5-foot garland, and that was really inexpensive. And another tip is, if you have a wall, and in my case I have 2 because it's in the corner, you don't have to decorate the back of the tree, so you save a ton of money on only decorating the front of the tree. Finally, I just want to say that some of these decor items, the fun of it, part of the fun of it is every year I like to do it slightly different. So I'll pull it off come time for Christmas. And next year, I'll probably use most of these ornaments and picks, but I'll change it up a little, and because if I find something on sale after fall this year, I will definitely scoop it up. And then some of these items will go onto my dining room table, because I love doing tablescapes too, or just disperse throughout my house. I have a little bit of decor for fall in my family room, my kitchen, and my powder room. So that is that, and I am going to enjoy this tree like crazy for many years to come, every fall season. But what I really wanted to show you is we're transitioning fashions now from summer to fall, and here in Arizona the days are still really warm, so I like to incorporate neutrals, and I wear white all year round here in Arizona, but I like the neutrals to sort of ease into fall. And one thing that I have to share with you guys, I'm so excited about this, from a new brand collection to me called Lock and Shine. This adorable bronze, can you see it? It's so cute. It's a faux crocodile accessory that is a scarf clip, and it comes in 3 different sizes. Right now I have it with a skinny scarf, but typically I wear big scarves that I can wrap different ways. These adorable clips. I'm not wearing any other jewelry right now except my watch, and if you want your accessory to sort of be the focal point, and maybe you don't have time to get dressed and fuss with bracelets, rings, and earrings, these are such an affordable alternative. And they have a magnetic closure, which I'm going to turn it around and show you how easy it is. See how it unsnaps and snaps, and so many different collections and designs that they have. I just thought this was darling, and it looks so cute with the animal print scarf. You could wear it with solids. There's so many ways you can use these darling clips, and they're on sale right now. They are on sale, and they ship worldwide. And in addition to being already affordable, at checkout at Lock and Shine, if you put my special discount code GAIL20, you will save another 20% off the already very, very reasonable price. You need to check it out because there's so many cute styles. I will be showing you more very soon with different scarves as well, so you can get a feel for how they look with different shapes, styles, colors, and pattern scarves. And I know you're going to want this not only for yourself, but the holiday season is quickly coming up, and they make such wonderful gifts. They come in a darling little box that looks like a jewelry box, and what a great, even a stocking stuffer or something special for somebody that you know likes to wear scarves, or maybe even doesn't and will start wearing scarves. So thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to subscribe, and please stick around because I'm trying really hard to incorporate more made in the USA businesses, more small businesses, more affordable businesses, and you get special deals many, many times when you watch this channel. So thanks for watching, and see you really soon.